Cheers.
Cheers.
In love with the shape of you.
Whew.
So today we are making gingerbread houses. Woo. So today is going to be a versus.
Versus. Oh no.
Yes. And there's actually going to be a punishment this time for who makes the worst or whichever one falls first.
No.
Yes.
I'm taking the whole 15 minutes of waiting for this thing to dry.
And we are on a time crunch.
We are?
We are.
Why?
Because it makes it a more challenging. What type of challenge would it be if there's not a repercussion and a time limit?
You know, I want to have a good looking gingerbread house and you call us a competition. You know what? Fine. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait.
Oh, okay.
We need to set the ground rules first. You can't just-
Okay. I can't just rush it.
What do you think is a good repercussion for the worst gingerbread house?
Okay, how about the winner gets to dress up as Santa and the loser gets to dress up like an elf?
And has to do what Santa asks?
Yes.
All day?
All day for that video or...
A whole day. Okay. So, oh my god, I'm so excited. The repercussion for having the worst gingerbread house is you have to be Santa's elf for the day. And the winner will be Santa Claus.
What's our time limit?
Our time limit will be 1 hour.
1 hour, so...
Or 30 minutes. Which one? 30 minutes? 30 minutes. We'll say 30 minutes.
That seems a little too short.
I think 30 minutes because that will actually be a challenge.
Oh god. Then it starts after we get everything out and prepped.
Everything out and open, and then our timer will start. Let's break into this.
Yeah.
Oh my, that smells very ginger.
I wonder why.
Oh, this is cute.
It's our little roof holders.
Okay.
Wait, you got 2 of them?
I got 2.
I think it might have been a misprint.
7-2. So we also have outside icings as well. We have green, blue, black, and white. And then we also have some marshmallows that we can put on and use however we like. So we do have some outside help. So how do you even make gingerbread houses? You have to knead the icing.
Yep, for 1 to 2 minutes.
Oh, is that what you're doing right now?
Yeah, I'm trying to get ahead
Oh.
of you. Okay, so I think I needed it for a good minute or 2.
I've never built a gingerbread house before, ever. So this is going to be very interesting. And since I'm not that good with crafts, I'm kind of scared. Why are these all individually wrapped?
Ready.
On your mark, get set, let's go. Why isn't it not coming out?
I don't know. Oh my god.
Oh! Oh no, we're supposed to, oh crap.
What?
Never mind, don't listen to me.
What, you almost forgot to line the houses? Okay.
I didn't read any of the instructions. I just looked at the photos.
That's good. That means I might win.
Wait, you're already setting yours up?
Yeah.
So the house has to be facing?
It doesn't matter.
Wait, which one's the front door?
They're both front doors.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, I put it on the... Wait, what?
You put the roof. That's the roof, love.
That's the roof?
That's the roof.
Oh, I put it on the... Oh, look what I did. So I did on the sides. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, wait. It's supposed to be like this. Oh no, oh my god.
Did you put it backwards as well?
I put it sideways.
Yay, I'm winning.
Oh. Oh.
I'm going to be Santa.
Oh. No wonder why this is skill level 2. So we're not moving this, right? Like, it's just staying in this thing, right?
Yeah, should.
Cool. Cool. Yours is cute. Are both of my sides the right side up? Yep. Okay. I should really turn this way so I can see what I'm doing. Sorry, y'all. But I just really need to know if this is going to collapse or not.
The answer is probably.
Shh. I don't need that negativity in my life.
Do I start decorating now while this thing holds it? Probably. We have 20 minutes left on the board. I thought that was my roof falling apart. It was just the little cardboard.
So we don't see each other's.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so we don't cheat.
I can't just judge myself comparatively speaking to you anymore.
No, you cannot. Screen cheater.
Hey, I know.
You're like, oh, that's what she's doing? Okay, I'm gonna copy that.
I'm gonna do something and maybe do it a little bit better.
Wow, rude. Why am I shaking? This competition got me shook.
Shook.
Okay.
Dude.
They're best friends. Ooh, I think I'm making Erica and me out of these. This is nice. Don't look!
You're saying it's nice. I want to see it.
You don't get to. This is my Erica. Erica, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What?
Just you saying I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
I'm trying to do hair. I don't know how to do hair very well. Because we both have black hair. No. No, we don't. Oh, gosh. Why did I say a time limit?
I don't know.
You know I suck at time limits. Everyone knows this. Why? Where happened to all my frosting?
I don't know.
Oh, crap. I'm kind of freaking out now. 10-minute crunch time. I literally have nothing on my house.
No?
No.
Well, I haven't even started my gingerbread man yet, so don't fall on me.
Did you just say don't fall?
Yeah.
Is your gingerbread house about to fall?
No, my marshmallows.
Your marshmallows? Oh, you're actually using the marshmallows.
Yep.
Oh crap, I can't set you there yet. I gotta do the windows.
Where is all the icing? You have all the icing.
All of it. We have 6 minutes. 6 minutes, you guys.
My everything is falling apart.
We're in crunch time and you're like destroying my house over here.
Yeah, it's the only way for me to catch up.
Catch up? Boy, you have more stuff on your... I haven't even started. I haven't touched my back of the house. And I have 4 minutes.
Oh god.
Trees are falling. They're not working. But I do need to use them. Are you having fun?
Oh yeah.
Stressed?
Yes.
Me too. I see you trees. I'm shaking.
Because we have 4 minutes.
I'm shaking and I'm in panic. I'm in panic mode. Ah! This is not good.
What was that noise? No, my gumdrops!
No, my gumdrops. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
My marshmallows are still good. Thank God.
Are you surprised?
Yes.
Was the marshmallows not staying?
Yeah, they were dropping a little bit.
I think these are too heavy to be on the top.
Maybe.
We have 2 minutes.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Or 1 minute and 40 seconds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no.
No, my gumdrop! No, I don't think if I do anything more, I think I'm gonna ruin it.
Oh, 12 seconds.
All right, you ready?
Oh! Yours looks good. Oh my god.
I am Santa.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Do you like the look of it?
Where's your other gingerbread?
On the other side.
Wow, mine looks terrible.
I was worried.
Oh wow, you did both front and back. You didn't do the windows though.
Yeah, because I couldn't figure out anything to do with the windows.
I didn't do the roof very well. Like you put gumdrops, which was a smart idea. I tried going with the mint candies and those are just way too heavy.
Oh yeah. That's why I put them in the front as the 2 spots right there.
This was fun. This was a fun little project.
Mm-hmm. I like how you tried so much with the front. You put everything there, and I like that you were trying to stand the trees up. I also like what you did with the gummy drops.
The gummy drops?
Yeah, I liked the same idea that we had with our front with the 2 pieces.
I didn't really get to the roof, but I did get my gingerbread. My gingerbread men are like really well put together. So how do you feel?
Feel good.
Did you like doing this craft?
Yes, and it looks really good.
Yours did come out really well. Just random gumdrop.
Yeah, put it on both sides so it's not so random.
Oh goodness.
It's got little horns.
The snowflakes on this really like threw me off a little bit. I
Oh.
tried going into one and then I was just like, you know what? I'm done. I can't continue this.
It took you so much time with that
It
one.
did. It did take a lot of time. I made a little me and a little Erica. Yes, I did. Anyways, this was our 30-minute gingerbread house challenge. How you feel about it?
Feel good?
Feel good?
Yeah. What about you?
I failed. Next time I know not to give me such little time. This was kind of a mess. Very, very messy. But it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun.
It was.
Alright, well, we will see ya later. Bye.
Bye.
So dark, why are you so dark? Na na na